Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video we would like to explore the Venn diagram and sets. Okay, so let's start. A Venn diagram, it is a visual representation of sets. So most commonly you use this in your language class to compare something. However, it can also be used in math to show sets. Okay, so let's have some Venn diagrams or some concepts with Venn diagram. Okay. First thing to know about Venn diagram is known to be the joint sets. When we say joint sets, there are common elements between sets. So in this context, we have now the universal set, which is symbolized by the rectangular area. And then we do have two sets such as set A, which is represented by this circle, and set B would be represented with this another circle. And the common elements of the sets should be put in here. That's why they are known to be joint sets. Another concept with Venn diagram is that there is a possibility that the sets are disjoints where there are no common elements between two sets. So once again, this is the universal set, and then this is now set A, and this is set B. They are not connected because there are no common elements between set A and set B. Now let's explore some operations in sets and could be represented in a Venn diagram. Now, once again, the universal set, and then you have set A. However, we want to get now the A complement. Remember, A complement is that you are deducting the elements in the set from the universal set. And what is left, that is the complement. Now, as you can see, the shaded part are known to be the complement of set A. That's why set A doesn't have any shade. Now let's go to the concept of complement when using now to a joint set. So for example, if you have set A, set B in a universal set, set A, you remove all the elements from set A. That's why there's no shade. However, what is shaded now is the universal, the rest of the universal, and the part of B which is not on joint with set A. Well, on B complement here, as you can see, this is now shaded, the A without the common elements and the rest of the universal set. Now let's talk about union. So when you say union, you are combining all the elements of the sets. So if we have now A union B, so we have now set A, and then set B would be joint and there will be shaded. So that is now how you represent now union in a Venn diagram. Let's have now intersection. Intersection is the common element between the sets. So this is symbol as A intersection B. So what is common between them would be shaded. So this is now the representation in Venn diagram of A intersection B. Now let's have now the difference. So when you say difference, you are removing. There is two elements such as the minuend and the subtrahend. You know that when you are subtracting numbers. However, in the set, this is how it works. So you deduct what is common between A and B, and what is left are the rest of what is in A. On the other hand, if you have this one, B minus A, so you remove what's common between A and B, and what is left is what is only with B, so or B only. So that's how difference works. I hope you learned something about the basics of Venn diagram and sets. Thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something. Thank you very much.